Welcome back to my channel. This is the Puzzle Guy, and today I will show you H&H Puzzle by Hanayama. The difficulty level of this puzzle is 5, and the goal of it is, as always, to take it apart and to assemble it again. Let's open the box. Inside you can find information about other Hanayama puzzles, description, but there is no solution included, and puzzle itself. This puzzle is made out of metal. It has a shape of two letters H combined together, and we have to take them apart. If you want to buy this puzzle, you can use the link in the description, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, you can keep watching the video. But if you don't want to spoil all the fun trying to solve this puzzle by yourself, stop watching now. As written in the description, the movement of the pieces is very tricky, so you need to be careful that your memory doesn't play tricks on you. And it's really tricky because sometimes you can be confused by movements and got stuck doing same moves again and again without being able to take it apart. So to be sure that you can solve it, you have to hold the piece with Hanayama and H&H sign in one hand and use only the second piece to solve the puzzle. If you're gonna move both pieces, it will end up in being confused, so you're not gonna solve it. So the first move, what we have to do, we have to move the unsigned piece like this, and now you have to rotate it clockwise 180 degrees. That's it. Now you have to pull it all the way here. The next move, we have to move this piece on the left side. To do it, you have just to slide it right here. Next, you have to push it, and now you have to rotate it counterclockwise 180 degrees. The next move, you have to rotate it but vertically, like this one. And now you have to rotate it again but clockwise 180 degrees. And the next move is just to pull it all the way to the right. And now you have to put it vertically and slide down like this. The next move is to put it like this and slide to the left till the end. Now you have to do the same move as on the right side. You have to move it down and left, and that's how you take it apart. It's look pretty simple, but it's really difficult to find this solution, because every time you do it and you don't do exact same moves, you are ending up in being confused and stuck on the same place. So to assemble it again, you have to take these two pieces. There is only one way how you can connect them, so you can't do it from other side, so you're not going to do the wrong move. Put it here, now rotate it like this, push it here, rotate it again and slide it to the right. And now you have to push the right piece all the way up and rotate it like this. Now push it to the left, rotate it counterclockwise. Now you have to rotate it vertically, like this. And now you have to rotate it horizontally clockwise, 180 degrees. And pull it all the way to the left. The next move is to put this piece on the right side, so just to slide it like here. And next move, what you have to do, push it in the middle, rotate it counterclockwise, and puzzle is assembled again. It took me a lot of time to find exact moves how to solve it, because actually I've been able to solve this puzzle in 20 or 30 minutes, but it took me 2 more hours to understand how I did it and to memorize all the steps, how to take it apart and to assemble it again. If you like this puzzle and you like my video, press like and subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell button to be notified every time I upload new video.